We have this incredible ability to choose how our life transforms in front of us. Why not choose a life that's full of adventure, love, wealth, and health? It's up to you to make it happen. I want you to visualize yourself riding on the beach in Costa Rica with your best friend as the sun sets, your heart full of joy, excitement, love, and gratitude with the salt air filling your lungs. Snorkeling in crystal clear water, free as can be, as every cell in your body becomes alive with the energy of the ocean. You feel deeper connected than you ever have to your life, to something much larger than yourself, fueling you with an energy you've never felt before. You're completely present in this moment, feeling it all, and you release into a freedom, allowing your body to move in any way you desire without fear. You feel so deeply connected with nature, in awe of all the beauty and serenity around you each day. As you wake up, you're excited to be alive. You're refueled, your soul energized, and you feel like you can let go of anything that was holding you back from living your best life. And finally, you feel completely supported because you're with a group of people that are on the same energy and frequency as you. Make all of this true today. Sign up at wellnessretreatcr.com with me, your host, Brittany Lee. I'm excited to share this wonderful wellness retreat together.